My name's Sarah Kirnon, and I'm the chef and owner of Miss Ollie's. Miss Ollie's is named for my maternal grandmother. She taught me how to cook. I decided to open a restaurant and name it for her. Saltfish and Ackee is one of those dishes that was primarily a breakfast dish, but it's become like sort of breakfast for dinner. And it's basically what we could term as a one pot, where all these ingredients just end up in one sauteed dish and then served on a plate. Saltfish and Ackee is a dish that's primarily made with salt cod, which is also known as bacalao. The other components, sweet plantains, which is what the dish actually sits on, and then something called a bake. And a bake is basically like a dense biscuit. Put it into an oiled cast iron skillet. This is basically to give it a little bit of color. The sweets, 100 cherry tomatoes, some scallions, pimento peppers. All of this is going to get sauteed together. I've got that color on my bake, and I'm gonna put it into the oven. And then I'm gonna start preparing my salt cod. Cook this about 2 or 3 times to just pull out all of the actual salt that it's packed in. So we're just looking for all of these things to break down and marry each other. Then we're gonna add the ackee. Ackee has this sort of bad rap as it being poisonous. It's not poisonous once it's actually come off the tree. If it doesn't come in fresh, it's not allowed under FDA rules. So it comes in canned and it's prepared. And then I'm pulling out my plantains. Basically, I'm just gonna flatten them. We're using methods that my grandmother and my ancestors would have used, and we keep it as West Indian as possible. And there you have it. Saltfish and Ackee served on top of twice pressed plantains and the bake.